The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
For letter G here, we actually don't have a quadratic form in this problem. The easiest way you can tell that it's not is that we only have two terms. Remember that for a quadratic you need three. In this case, what we want to do instead is see if we have any common factors and factor it out of both. Well, in this case we do, because we have 3x plus 1 to the negative 1/2 and 3x plus 1 to the 1/2. Well, we have the same base with different powers, and whenever you have that, you always want to factor out the base with the lowest power. So we can factor out 3x plus 1 to the negative 1/2. And let's see what's left. Well, out of the first term, we'd just be left with 1 because we took it out completely. In the second term, we have a 2 there, and we just need to figure out what power of 3x plus 1 would be left. The easiest way to do this, in my opinion, is just if you distributed this back through, you have to get what you started with. So we need some power of 3x plus 1, or that if you multiply it by 3x plus 1 to the negative 1/2, you get 1/2. And the answer to that is just a power of 1. And this is equal to 0. So this you can consider to be on the denominator since it's a negative power. You only really want it to do that now since it's times the entire thing and not at the beginning where it was its own term. So now on the numerator we will have 1 plus, we can expand that out to be 6x plus 2 all over 3x plus 1 to the negative 1/2, which simplifies to 3 times 2x plus 1. Because we have 1 plus 2 is 3, we can factor out a 3 from both of those. Negative 1/2. Well, to solve this equation, all you need to do is set this term right here to equal 0 and solve for x. Because the denominator can't be 0 or else this would have no solution, so you don't have to worry about that. And this 3 doesn't contribute anything. So really we have one factor that could even contribute to the solution in this problem.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.